When purchasing an EV, a lot of people get excited because you no longer have to pay for gas, so therefore you think you're saving money. But one thing they're not going to tell you, there are still unexpected costs of owning these cars. So in today's video, I'm going to go over 11 unexpected costs of owning a Tesla. So Teslas are known for their acceleration and speed. With these battery packs on the car, these cars are also very heavy. Like the curb weight of my Model Y here is 4,403 pounds. And let's not talk about the Model X, which is around 5,200 pounds. Now, with all of this weight being on this car, just think about the hell of a job that it's doing on your tires. So I did a random search on discounttire.com, and you can see here on your screen that an average tire for your Model Y will be roughly about $300. I just put new tires on my Model Y after 2 years, about 40,000 miles on the car, and I paid nearly $1,500 in order to put tires on my car. And another thing is, you want to keep in mind that you also have associated data plan costs. Some features such as your music streaming service or real-time traffic updates will require an additional charge. And this can go even to in-car browsing on the LTE network, which currently, as it stands, if you want these features inside of your car, it is $9.99 a month, or you can pay a flat out $99 for the year. And another cost that you want to consider is, if anything ever happened to your Tesla, you want to consider towing. Now, towing may cost an additional fee because due to the nature of Tesla's all-electric vehicles, not all towing companies offer towing for these cars, allowing some of the companies to actually increase the rate of towing your Tesla due to specialized equipment that they need in order to tow your car. And another expense that people don't consider when buying a Tesla will be the accessories. Now, this is totally optional, but once you get your car, you're going to want some all-weather floor mats for your car. You're going to want a screen protector for your car, and there are so many different accessories that you can get for your Tesla. Now, we just launched a website, Just Frugal Me Accessories, where you can browse through, and there are certain products on there where you can get 18% off of your order when you use the special promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout. Or for a wider selection, you can hop over to evbase.com where you can get 15% off of any Tesla accessory that you can think of whenever you use the special promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout. And I'm going to link all of that information down below. And also, in certain areas, in order to have your Tesla service, you will have to go to another city. I have read where some people have to travel for hours in order to have their car serviced at a service center like this, resulting in the inconvenience of purchasing hotel rooms in order to spend a day at a city, or going out on the city, spending more money while you're waiting on your Tesla to be serviced. And owning a Tesla, there is the potential for increased taxes and registration fees. Last year, I paid $20 for the annual registration fee with my Toyota Prius, where with my Tesla, I paid $230 for the same annual registration, because there are some regions and states that impose higher fees and taxes for electric vehicles to compensate for the lost revenue that's coming in from your gas tax. And these fees will vary based off of the trim of Tesla that you have and other factors. Location is a biggie, so you want to be sure that you check with your local tax office or revenue office and see exactly what the EV tax will be on your Tesla. Because the first year that I received my annual registration on my Model Y, it caught me totally off guard. And whenever you purchase your Tesla, you do want to consider the price that it will be in order to charge your car at home. Chargers that I have right here are roughly about $600 each, while your mobile connector is $230 at the time of this recording. And you can also expect to pay anywhere between $400 and $800 for your installation. That's based off of your electrician and the area that you're living in. Now, it's true, owning a Tesla, you have less maintenance on your car. However, you want to be prepared for higher repair repair costs. Because with Tesla specialized parts and limited service centers nationwide, you can find yourself paying higher repair costs. For example, I hit this pothole and it cost me over $1,000 in order to repair the damages. Whenever I replaced my windshield on my car, the insurance company didn't cover it, so I paid over $1,300 out of pocket for my windshield. And also, owning a Tesla, you may pay higher insurance premiums for your car due to the Tesla's technology and limited service centers. And if they need to order a part, they have to order it right from Tesla. So therefore, there is a wait with that too. Y'all remember whenever my car got sideswiped on the interstate by a transfer truck? The bill for that was over $20,000. Thank God for insurance. But it is very expensive in order to repair your car, especially whenever insurance is involved with that. And you also want to factor in the cost that once you purchase your Tesla, your electricity bill will increase because now you're using more energy at home. However, it's not as close as what you were putting in for gas, which in the last 31 days, I have only spent roughly about $11 of charging at home. And one time I went over to the supercharger to do some charging, and this is pretty accurate, saving me roughly about $232 in the last 31 days. And another unexpected cost that you may want to consider will be your Autopilot upgrades. While your basic functions are free, if you would like them, you still have to pay for the additional features, like acceleration boost for $2,000 or your enhanced autopilot for $6,000. Now, your enhanced autopilot, that's what comes with the summon, the parking, and all of those additional features, or your FSD capability package for $12,000 or $199 a month, and that's not including taxes or fees. So if you want any additional features on your car, you will have to pay for those features. Now, some people don't even know the difference between autopilot, enhanced autopilot, or the FSD. I go through all of that in detail. Some people say it's the best video on the web, and it's the top video right over there. Check out the other video, all things related to your money and your Tesla. Subscribe here on your screen, and I will see you in the next video.